You find yourself in a situation where time is not on your side. You have a really important meeting in the morning. You need to get your team on board with change and change management. You need to create a presentation in PowerPoint about the change, talking them through change management to get them on board. Just imagine creating a dynamic, professional presentation in minutes with just a few prompts by using Microsoft's AI assistant, Copilot. I'm going to show you how to use Copilot to create that professional presentation in minutes. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe, and share. So the first thing is you need to open up Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, if your team or your organization has paid, or yourself personally have paid into using Copilot, when you go into PowerPoint from the home screen here, you will notice an option here, Create with Copilot, and that's what you need to click on. So when you click on Create with Copilot, this pop-up box will appear, Create a presentation with Copilot. So it's asking you how Copilot, the Microsoft's assistant, AI assistant, can help you do this. So what you need to do in this prompt is create a presentation about. So just copied and pasted a prompt generated earlier to create a professional presentation informing your team about change management in the team and organization, helping their understanding of this and what this means. Okay, so that's my prompt for PowerPoint to create the presentation. So I'm going to say ensure it is of 5 slides. So length, here you can choose the specific length of your presentation. So at the moment the default is suggested by Copilot. You can have a short presentation, which is 3 to 8 slides, medium presentation, which is 9 to 17, or a long presentation, 18 plus slides. I'm going to leave it as suggested to see what PowerPoint or what Copilot comes up with, and here you can reference some files as well. So if I click on that, you can type in a reference of a file to help aid the creation of that PowerPoint. I don't have any files, so I'm going to uncheck that. So actually I'm going to take those forward slashes out. Now what then you do is you click on this arrow here, this right arrow, and what it's doing now is going away and it's generating the PowerPoint presentation for you. So it's come up here and it's asking you about the presentation style. So at the moment the default, it's selected the suggested option, but you can have a quick study one, square harmony. There's different templates of themes you can have, and you can choose different ones by clicking on this show all button here, where you got a plethora of different options to choose from. But what I'm going to do is going to hold fire and make sure this suggested one has been selected. If you scroll up, it's giving you an outline of what change management is and understanding change management in teams and organizations, what is change management, so on and so forth. So you can add a few more slides or a few more topics within that, or you can leave it as is. I'm going to leave it as is for this video. You scroll down here and then it's asking you where do you want to, or how do you want to source the images. So here at the moment the selection is AI generated images. If I click on this down arrow, you can use stock images as well, or AI generated images. I'm going to leave it as AI generated images, and here you can choose this style of those images there as well. You can have a flat design, isometric, so on and so forth here. I'm going to leave it as suggested, and what I'm going to ask Copilot to do, Microsoft's AI assistant, is generate those slides, because I am running out of time. So it's come back now here and it's giving you an outline of the different slides and the titles of those slides and what they will look like for you. So it's generating that and it's applying the design here at the bottom. And here we go. So it's created the outline of the slides. So what you can do is delete what is created here or keep it. So I'm going to click on keep, and very quickly, let me just click on this navigation bar. This is the normal mode for Microsoft PowerPoint. And what you can see, the only thing that's missing from here are the images. So it's not generated any images, but what you can do is go away and put some stock images in there to help you with the creation of your PowerPoint presentation. So first slide's understanding change management, guiding teams and organizations through transformation. Second slide, what is change management? Give them a bit of background information. Why is it important for teams and organizations, and the processes involved, the key steps, common challenges and those pitfalls and those risks, how to overcome those, and how the members of your team can contribute to that successful change. So basically the information they need really, and the conclusion. So you're summing up there. But the other good thing about this is if you click on this title slide, if I drag this up, it's got slide notes here at the bottom. So if you're forgetting what you're talking about, you can refer to the slide notes, or you can add your own notes at the bottom. So it's got the same for slide 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 there. So you can go away, add your notes. But what Copilot has done for you is giving you that stepping stone. It's giving you the framework that you can work towards in generating, and saving you a couple of hours, I think, because if you've had a really tough, challenging time, you haven't got the mental capacity to create a PowerPoint presentation from scratch, you're able to use AI Assistant, Microsoft's Copilot, as an enabler for you to help you or guide you in the right path. But what I would say as a bit of a caveat to this is check the information it's come back with, because AI, as you know, is not necessarily right all the time. So check the information it's come back with to make sure it makes sense for you, and you can personalize the information to your team or to your organization as well. So that's just a very quick and easy video showing you how you can incorporate and utilize AI, in this case Microsoft's AI Assistant Copilot, to help enable you in drafting, authoring PowerPoint presentation, in this example on change management within the team and organization. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.